Hi guys, I was gifted this pond fountain with premium LED lighting. I'm gonna go take everything out of the box and show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna go install it in this pond and show you what it looks like during the day and then also at night. So keep watching. All right guys, this is everything you get in the box. We have it spread out here. Does come with instructions, and it has a remote control, so then you can change the LED lighting. I'm going to go ahead and put it together and get it out in the pond, and we'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we put the float together. These are the little plugs that join them together. There's 4 that we put in first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we put in these holders here for the lights next. All right, we secured the lights on here. So you just put it on with these screws right here, which is super simple. And we did the same thing on that side. All right, so here's the connection to the lights here. And we're gonna go put this thing in the pond, and it comes with 100 foot of power cable here. So we'll go put it in the pond and show you what it looks like. All right, I wanted to show you, it does come with 2 different spouts. If you want different sprays, they give you 2 of those. We already got one on the pump. And then this one goes on, if you need to like drain your pond or whatever, you can hook a tube to this and screw this on the top of the pump to drain. And it also comes with this microcomputer timer switch if you want it to turn on and off at a specific time. I think we're probably going to just put a smart switch on the plug so we can control it through the internet. And it does have this remote control for the different lights. And then it takes a small battery on the back. It doesn't come with a brick or string to tie it in the specific place. So we're going to attach that right now. And then I'm going to bring it out in the kayak. All right guys, we got it out there and we got it running. It looks great. You can see the LED lights. Let me zoom in. I'll get you a better footage of them tonight when it gets dark, but it looks great. This pond fountain is equipped with an advanced LED lighting system. The pond fountain transforms your pond or lake into a dazzling nighttime spectacle with support for a controller. You can easily switch colors and dynamic lighting modes to create a personalized water feature. Combining intelligent technology with high efficiency aeration, it enhances water quality while delivering an impressive visual experience. The advanced LED lighting system produces a spectacular, multicolor light display that breathes new life into ponds, fountains, and lakes. Whether for residential gardens, commercial landscapes, or event venues, this floating pond aerator fountain enhances the ambience, making it a captivating focal point in any outdoor space. It is designed for a variety of water environments, including backyard ponds, landscaping lakes, golf courses, water features, commercial fountains, and public art installations. This pond pumps adapts to diverse settings. It comes with a 100-foot power cord and supports a plug-and-play 120-volt power connection, eliminating the need for complex wiring. You will enjoy a breathtaking water display with effortless setup and flexible placement. So if you need a premium LED pond fountain with RGB lighting system, then go ahead and get this one. It looks awesome.